What's up, ladies and germs? The slow travel journey continues. Listen, man, just a reminder, right? When you come to my channel, I'm not here to sell you the dream. You know, you come to my channel for the real, right? So that's what you're gonna get, the real. Let's go. With my content, you guys can get the good, the bad, and the ugly, just realities of travel. All right, fellas, moral of the story here is beware of the body shapers. That stuff underneath the clothes, man. You gotta watch out for it. You just never know when it's there. You might be thinking you're seeing A, but then what you're really seeing is B. When it come off. One of the best spots right now to pick up polio, baby. No, I like my channel just the way I like my women. All natural. I'm thinking it might be Venezuelan. You feel me? With no, switcheroos when you get down to the bottom of things. So listen, fellas, you come to my channel, just know that I ain't gonna just be painting a picture of one direction of a perfect travel experience or a perfect world. No, I'm gonna tell you all the good, but I'm also tell you all the bad. Right? So in line with the real, keeping it real, we gonna hit the streets so you guys could see not only where the ladies come out here to buy some of the, what you just saw before, but where you also have all the natural beauty, not so natural beauties, some great looking things, not so great looking things. Just soak up the culture, man. Enjoy the sounds. Now, it's a potential that because where I am, there's a lot of music that I might have to either talk over some of these parts or mute out some of the parts, but we gonna see. Listen, either way, let's take it to the real streets, right? So this is the real streets of the Dominican Republic. The location right here is the Santo Domingo. So Santo Domingo.
Ay, pero cuarto especial, cuatro pantalones que se van a 3 por 1200, 4 y medio y 3 por 1200, cuarto vestido que se van a 1 y medio, 1 y medio, 1 y medio y 3 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 y medio, 1 y medio, 1 y medio.
Now listen, if you've gotten this far in the video, I gotta first off commend you. And I got a question for you guys, because sometimes when I do my videos in certain particular areas, I see certain comments, and I gotta ask you, can you guys tell the difference between girls who are vending for the streets versus the ones who are for or to be wifed or to be talked to as a regular thing? Can you guys tell the difference when you look at a culture? Do you think there is a difference? Drop the comments below, man. Let me know your opinion. In other words, can you tell the real from the fake before you take everything off? Can you judge what is to be just for a moment and not put too much energy and time into it? Or are you able to judge when and where the fantasy is being sold to you versus reality? And the reason why I say that, listen, fellas, it's simple, right? It seems that even in this day and time, and I know YouTube has its censorship and everything, but goddamn, it still boggles my mind that people don't understand that any single time you see Susua, it is not normal girls. It is vendors. But yet, you got guys talking about relationships with them. You got guys talking about saving them. You got guys talking a whole lot of stuff, not realizing they're being sold the dream and not knowing what the reality really is. That is supposed to only be in that area, and many of those type of women are only supposed to be entertainment, and that's what they are. Listen, you want the real, you gotta go to the real places. I'm not here to sell you the dream, fellas. I'm here to show you realities and not just one of them, right? So every video is not gonna be in one area. I want to introduce you to every type of experience. So here goes another type of experience where you can see everything, because this is the perfect marketplace, right? This is Duarte. Everything is sold here, from clothes to toys to you name it. You understand? However, when you hit the regular cities and the regular life, when people have regular jobs, this is what you see. And it's up to you to choose between fantasy and reality. So enjoy these views. I'm gonna let you guys go from here. Drop your comments below and tell me what you think. Listen, at the end of the day, we got dudes talking about falling in love. We got dudes talking about going without a Jimmy hat and all kind of stuff, man. Listen, just consider this. The virus is still out there, man. And I don't mean the one from 2019 either. I'm talking from the one about the 80s, right? Listen, consider this PSA announcement, man. Public service announcement. Feel me?
Pantalones de damas y caballeros. Y como